How to play Blox Fruits without Shift Lock. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll demonstrate a step-by-step guide on playing Blox Fruits without using Shift Lock. This tutorial is designed to be user-friendly and easy to follow, whether you're playing on a mobile device or a personal computer. Within the settings of the Blox Fruits, you can find the Shift Lock option. It's generally advised to disable the Shift Lock feature for a seamless gaming experience and make sure the Shift Lock switch is off before starting your gameplay. If you prefer using Shift Lock for certain abilities, you can enable it. While mastering the gameplay without the Shift Lock may have a learning curve, it can enhance your gaming skills. Customize your gameplay experience using the Shift Lock switch in the settings, and on mobile devices, toggling the Shift Lock may not be available, but gameplay will remain consistent. So I hope this guide has given you valuable insights on playing Blox Fruits without relying on Shift Lock. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.